Just see how it transformed, guys. So today I'm trying out the Javy Microdose coffee. Super excited about it. Stay tuned, guys. Okay, guys, so this is a package that was sent to me from Javy. This is how it came. As you guys can see, I haven't unboxed it, so let's unbox this. So Javy themselves reached out to me in regards to doing a review for this coffee, but to be honest with you guys, they reached out to me sometime in, I think, June, July, but I just didn't respond because I wasn't ready. You know, as at that time I was busy with a lot of things, so right now I'm ready. So this is, I don't know what this is, guys, but you know, let's open it and see what this is. Oh, okay. This is a dust bag with Javy written on it. What's inside here? Oh wow. Okay, so there's straws and also the brush for cleaning the straws, because these are reusable straws. These are not disposable straws. So yeah, so this is how you just put it in there to clean. I like that the straws came in two different shapes, one in the cup shape, one in the straight shape, just for people who prefer theirs curved and people who like theirs straight. Oh, I think that's super cool. Yeah, you can always wash your straws as well, so I'm gonna be washing this. This is cute though. I like this. I mean, this is so cute with the dust bag. Wow, I like this, guys. So let's keep this to the side real quick and bring out the star of the show. Oh wow, okay, nice packaging and all that fun stuff. Javy. So Javy is a liquid microdose coffee, and also it is non-GMO. It is gluten-free. It is also eco-friendly, meaning the bottle can be recyclable, guys. This is really a liquid microdose coffee. It is from concentrate, guys. No dilution, no nothing. It is just pure coffee. I mean, 100% natural. Shelf life once you open the bottle, 4 to 6 weeks, and up to 30 servings in one bottle. So 1 teaspoon goes about 30 people, take about 30 people, so 30 people can drink from this bottle basically. And it is quick, easy and convenient. No long tedious brewing process of your coffee. It is silky, it is smooth. What else, guys? You know, endless styles of coffee on their website. You could visit their website. Also, I will be dropping a code you guys can use to purchase Javy. Just visit their website on tryjavy.com and purchase Javy. It is affordable. One bottle will go for about $14, which I think is quite affordable. You know, you could get about 4 bottles for $50-something. I mean, easy, cheap, affordable. Come on, guys, don't miss out on Javy. And you see how beautiful and fun their website looks. Oh my god, you want to try this out. Give it a try, guys. So Nike, it's time to make this. Let's spot this coffee, you know. So I'm gonna go in now with my ice. Iced coffee in under 10 seconds, guys. No joke. Let's open this bottle right now. Okay, I do see it has a protective lid. Fancy, that's good to protect it from spewing during shipping. that's nice. So let me show you guys what this looks like. Let me bring it to the camera. Do you guys see how thick this looks? It is real concentrate. And then, oh wow, looks good. Still dark. Smells so good, guys. I wish you were here to perceive the aroma. Please, guys, don't forget to purchase Javy. For those of you that are coffee lovers, it is coffee o'clock, baby, and a spill. There just had to be a spill. Maybe we could do something about the bottle. I don't know. But who cares? It's what Javy does that matters, right? It's what the coffee does that matters. So, yep, that's the sound we've been waiting for, the beep sound from our fourth year. Wow, do you guys see that caramel look? It's looking so beautiful already, even without turning, stirring it. Oh wow, so we're just gonna give this a quick stir now and see what it looks like. Oh wow, guys, I can't wait to do the taste test. My mom is hooked on Javy. True confession, she had to take the whole bottle. She took it to work. I mean, she's gonna be giving herself some dose of coffee, Javy coffee at work. Will I recommend you guys purchase? Absolutely. You know, let's just make this a little bit fancy with, you know, some cream, and I put some topping on it, some caramel topping as well, and I'm going in with my Javy straw now. Yes, guys, it's time to do the taste test, guys. Okay, guys, are you ready? So apparently, nice blend. It's not bitter or acidic, basically. I like this. I like the taste. Not so bad for someone like me that doesn't really take coffee, but I like coffee. Very good, easy to make in less than 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Your coffee is made. It tastes real good. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go purchase your own Javy. Use the link in the description below. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.